Welcome again, guys. I am Ashish on behalf of Team Neuron Nights. So, in the phase one, we have introduced our parametric insurance web page, OmniSight-AI. It's a system that automatically compensates delivery workers when disruptions like bad weather, city restrictions stop them from earning. Instead of manual claiming their destructions, our AI detects events and trigger instant payouts. So, in the first phase, as you remembered, we have showed you our system architecture, how the whole thing's backend thing flows in a flowchart format. But we have actually implemented it in our website, and let me show you how the system really works. So at first, the user will be redirected to the landing page where you can see the whole thing, the solutions, the pricing plans, and all things. There's a login sign up buttons also. The users can see the features of our AI, like it is the live disruptions, then fair weekly pricing, automatic compensation, and all things. So if a user wants to make his account on this platform, he had to firstly sign up your his account by this button. Then he has to enter his name like user one. Then he had to give some email, for example. Then he had to set a password of this. And here you can see that the account is created successfully. Now the user has to log in with the same credentials as you can see. Then he will be redirected to the pricing plan section in our website. So from here, users can calculate their pricing plans, which will be shown automatically here that what will be their weekly payments and what is covered in this features or plan, and based on them they can buy their premium plan. So for example, if a user buy a premium plan, then he has to complete his or her purchase by all things, giving all credentials like name or something. But for now we are skipping this part. We'll directly purchase the plan. The payment is completely done and he is redirected to his dashboard. Here you can say he has a wallet balance till zero and activity is quite zero because his plan is quite activated. And in the backend, our system is actually now started and it is now checking the AQI. Till now, we have only considered the AQI thresholds, and in the future, we will cover more disruptions like rainfall, traffic, and all things. So in the backend, it is actually running and checking the value of AQI, whether it is crossing the threshold or not. And once it will cross the threshold, it will automatically pay the balance in the wallet. As you can see, let me check once. I have to manually refresh the site as WebSocket is not connected, so it does not update automatically. So here you can see after reloading, yes, the user got a payment. So as I said, in the background, the AQI threshold is continuously checking it. And when the AQI value crosses its threshold limit, it automatically release the payment of 500 to the user account, and you can see it in wallet balance. So this all system works in the backend. When the user log in and purchase a plan, it will automatically check for the disruptions in that area. And when the disruption will increase the threshold limit, it will automatically generates the payout to the user. And the user can see it in its wallet balance. So if user wants to withdraw their earnings, they can simply click on this button and withdraw the amount they want to withdraw. Like I want to withdraw the whole 500 to my UPI ID. For example, I give my UPI ID like user one and just click on withdraw now. So here it is confirming all the payments and processing it. Here you can see that the user had instantly got the payout in his or her bank account directly without any problems. So by this way, our system works in a fully fine condition. And again, it is the API thing is running in the backend, so it will be a continuously working thing. So this is all for the now, and in the future we will make it more workable and there will be more features and more disruption management. So for now, this is it.